My ROI profit is 236%, which is pretty damn good for 3 months. If you're thinking you're going to save $500 a month by going with somebody else, are you really saving $500 a month, or are you losing $20,000 a month? It's one or the other. So think about it a little bit. But trust me, Felix and his team at Aimeazy, they're great and they guarantee their work. Hello, I'm Ken Clark from Across Country Kitchen Cabinets. I've been in the business for 40 plus years. My marketing before has been a variety of mixture, of course, back in the old days, newspapers and stuff like that. But in the new years, it's been expensive and trying and spending a lot of time and money on advertising just didn't cut the noise. It was expensive and trying. With the new system I am working with now with Aimeazy, Felix, and his team, the experience with them that I've found and what they offer is superior good. I mean, they have all kinds of stuff put in place. I mean, from initiating, putting you out there, their program. I mean, I don't know how better I can say it, but they keep adding stuff to me and showing me stuff that they do for me on doing videos and writing their ads, and they walk you through it. They stay in touch with you, and it's amazing. All right. I mean, you just showed me some other stuff. I mean, we've got leads that go back like 3 months when I first started with them. And some people I got to, some people I didn't. Some people didn't return my calls and stuff like that. But now their new system, their system that they have in place, they're going to go back after these people, right? And see if they're ready to go. Because a lot of them will say, oh yeah, I'm ready to go in 1 week, or I'm ready to go in 3 weeks. But initially, they're really not ready to go in, until a month to 6 months later, some of them. And that's what I found, because I've closed one a couple days ago, that I initially hooked up with him 6 months ago, and we just closed it this week, right? And it was a nice little order. Um, and with their system, for the ones that I never did get back to, or they never really got back to me, is because they kind of pushed the button too early, probably. And what happens now is he's gonna do he has a 5 system contact callback on reaching out to these people, and some of them may have gotten quotes already but didn't go ahead because it was just too expensive. But now they already got the design work, so basically with that design work, it's going to cut a cost that I don't have to charge them now either. So maybe my pricing, and I'm sure it will fit their pocket budget more better. It's great. The returns that I have off of Felix at Aimeazy and his team is great. I mean, to be honest with you, I've been very busy with a whole bunch of things and a little bit of stress going on in my life. But for what I have sold in the last 3 months now, my ROI profit, now I'm talking profit here, okay, is my ROI is 236%, which is pretty damn good for 3 months, right? And I have a few different things going on. I set up dealerships across BC and Alberta for selling our cabinet line. Plus, I also sell to homeowners as well too, and contractors, right? So I have a variety of a mixture, and I would definitely recommend Aim Easy Agency, because he Felix and the team. I mean, they walk you through it. They don't sit back. They want to have meetings with you every week or every second week, whatever fits your schedule, and they will keep showing you things and telling you things that really make sense to guide you. And I know from experience that there's tons of other companies out there similar to Aimeazy, sorry, and sure, they may be $500 or $1,000 cheaper, but are their services as good? I mean, I researched out a few of these companies myself, because I don't just go with the first person that I go with. And from what I've seen that the team does and what he told me they're going to do, he did it. He did everything. He did everything. I've talked to other people that I know that signed up with other companies similar to his, and they're not getting near the response that they really should be. So if you're thinking you're going to save $500 a month by going with somebody else, are you really saving 5,000 or $500 a month, or are you losing $20,000 a month? Right? I mean, it's one or the other. So think about it a little bit. But trust me, Felix and his team at Aimeazy, they're great, and they stand behind what they say, and they guarantee their work.